today here on Eurjpy. So we're going to be doing a breakdown of Eurjpy and Gbpusd together. So now from my previous video, I've wanted to be calling out Eurjpy short to the downside following this move here. Okay, so for the past few days, we've been making a retrace. As you can see, one, two, three, four, four daily candles has not been able to trade above just one bearish candle, which tells us there's still enough selling volume in the market to push price to the downside. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we had a break of resistance. If I switch to the line chart, we can see that we had a break of resistance here. Okay, and so basically, what I was waiting for a short trade was a break below 4-hour area of support. So, which we've seen more or less here, seeing higher high, higher low, and then back into the high for a double top kind of setup. And now we've traded below that support from the new low and we're retracing to the upside. Um, I'm currently looking at the 1 hour time frame right here. So seeing that the 1 hour time frame is making this retracement, I want to see price break below a 1 hour area of support. Let me reduce this. So yeah. So I want to see price break below a 1 hour area of support right there. From probably from a new support, seeing that we trade above this high, making a higher high kind of move here. So I want to see um guys, I want to see something like this and continuation to the downside. But if price trades above this high, we still are in a very much selling market because a higher high is all the way up here. So unless price trades above this 100% area that I've marked out, we're still very much looking to sell. So let's keep an eye on that one, and I'll keep you guys updated on that. Going into Gbpusd, basically same thing going on Gbpusd. I marked out this zone, an area of confluence, following how the weekly candle last week traded, saying this A to B. Let's move that way. Found support. So A should be there. So and I said I was looking for a break of resistance on the 4-hour time frame, which we did find, as you can see right here, lower high, lower low, lower high, boom, and then made a new higher high. Now all these lower high areas are invalid in the sense that I want I would be looking to sell if price had come into this high from a double top pattern and then sell off. But right now, as you can see, we didn't make that. We more or less made a high, a lower high, which makes this high the only high that is valid. So we've more or less been higher high, and this is the higher low right now. So this is the low that we have to trade below to look to sell. Okay. Now, seeing how the market traded yesterday, we've more or less been ranging in a way, and price popped back up into 134375. Okay, an area of interest that I've marked out from the previous video. So I would want to see price trade below a 4-hour area of support at this zone before I'll be looking to take a trade. I'm going to lower time frame to look for a position. But till then, the best thing to do here is just wait and see how price reacts. Okay. On the 1 hourly, it would be best to more or less focus on the 4-hour time frame right now because of how the market is trading. Because if you use the 1 hourly for positions, you could be in a really, really ranging situation. But using the higher time frame, it gives us a clearer view of what the market is doing and what we could be expecting. So that's that on GPUSD. UJPY, seeing how this is trading right now, I'm more or less looking for price to come back into this resistance that we've been testing for a while now. Maybe pop back up of a bit. Then the 1 hour show me selling type of setup, and I'll look to sell to the downside. If not, and it continues, this is my 100% area which I'll more or less be looking out for. As you can see, we already had on this trend line, we already had point 1, point 2 we've not had a third touch of the trend line. So this, if we make a retrace, we could get a third touch before the sell-off. So yeah, I'll keep an eye on the market and keep you guys updated. Have a good trading day.